this traffic. Going to get another Polaris. Look at the SP 900 back there, running to get a Polaris Outlaw 525. Supposed to be ready to ride. Let's go get her picked up. Polaris guys, got you some videos. Be sure and get up in there. Got another one. Outlaw 525, boy. Look at the rear suspension. Huh?
Pretty cool.
Big gun Evo exhaust. Let's get the ramps out. Polaris Outlaw 525, dude. Some Fox shocks, KTM, 4-stroke 525 cc's. Independent rear suspension, big gun exhaust. They have reverse. Dude, electric start, boys. Hydraulic clutch right here. Pretty easy action. Look, one finger. No problem. Those fireballs. Ooh, Outlaw 525, guys. I actually got her for sale right now. Whew, 08 with the title. It's in pretty damn good shape and it runs excellent. A little bit of smooth power too. Geared a lot different than your MX quads. This is a trail bike. Sports trail Mafika. And you got to give it to Polaris. They put somebody else's motor in it. I mean, they wanted us to actually enjoy it on the trail and stuff and maybe get a little bit of torque out of it. So shouts out Polaris for having KTM build your motor. It broke. Got a DS90X video coming. That Hijet crawler 4-wheel drive. Ooh, this Mitsubishi minicab 4-wheel drive coming up. And a couple other videos, trying to think of what. 300EX video, Tri-Z build. I got the motor out for it today. Maybe a Raptor Tri-Z build. And BW Banshee riding footage coming soon, dudes. Appreciate you.